pleasure of Guru and Gauranga. Not only to follow it as a rule. Do you understand me? What I say? Because by Guru and Gauranga will be pleased. My duty is to please them. Do you understand? You should not follow as a rule only. You understand? Not as a rule, but you follow it to giving pleasure to him. You understand? That it says. Yes, what you say?
But in the beginning, we may come to Krishna consciousness and we don't know really what is love for Krishna. So we are following the rules and regulations. So,
yes, Guru teaches that. If you just execute the order of Guru, gradually you develop, you live at yourself. Then you can understand. Yes, in the beginning you cannot understand. Guru says, do this and don't do this. So to execute that, his order means to please Guru. That's the pleasure of Guru. If you want obey Guru's order, you will commit offense. Guru will be displeased. I told this thing that this fellow doesn't obey. To please Guru means to please the Lord. Automatically you get his pleasure. Jasya prasada, Bhagavad Prasada. You understand? You don't know, but automatically it is obtained. You understand? You have it. When you obey Guru's order, and Guru is pleased, thereby Lord is pleased. You don't know it, but automatically you have it, you receive it. And gradually, then you develop love by Guru's mercy. In the beginning you may not, but you have to obey your Guru. Execute his order. If you execute it as it is, not disobeying, and completely, not partially, then Guru will be pleased. Yes. What I say is immediately carries out. The best. The Guru is very much pleased. Thereby you get pleasure of Lord. You don't know. You are pleasing the Lord, but automatically you have it. You understand me? But you don't know that thing, because you are a neophyte, beginner, but you are doing it only by obeying Guru and his orders. Thereby you please Guru. The Guru will be pleased if you obey his orders. Otherwise you will never be pleased. Yes?
That aspect exemplified. I heard a story once that Srila Bhaktisiddhanta's disciples were observing a Qadasi. They were chanting extra rounds, or they were doing something. And they weren't going out to preach. And apparently Bhaktisiddhanta became angry with them, and he personally cooked a big pot of khichdi and fed them on a Qadasi, and then made them go out and preach.
Who said this thing?
I don't know, someone told me.
That's not true. ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ମହାରାଜ ସେ ଗୋଟେ କହୁଛି ଏକାଦଶୀରେ ତ ଉପବାସ କରିବ ଫଳ କ୍ଷୀର ନବ ଅନୁକଳ୍ପ ଆମେ ତ ଅନ୍ନ ଇତ୍ୟାଦି ନବ ନା ସେ କହୁଛି ଜଣେ କିପରି ଗପ କହୁଥିଲା ଭକ୍ତି ସିଦ୍ଧାନ୍ତ ସରସ୍ୱତୀ ମହାରାଜଙ୍କ ସମ୍ବନ୍ଧରେ ଭକ୍ତିସିଦ୍ଧାନ୍ତ ମହାରାଜ କହିଲେ ତୁମକୁ ଆଜି ଏକାଦଶୀ ଉପବାସ କରିକିରି ଖାଲି ଜପ କଲେ ହବ ନା ତୁମେ ପ୍ରଚାର କରିବାକୁ ଯିବ ଭକ୍ତି ସିଦ୍ଧାନ୍ତ ଗୋଟେ ହାଣ୍ଡିଏ ଖିଚୁଡ଼ି ରାନ୍ଧିଲେ କହିଲେ ଖାଆକୁ ଯା ପ୍ରଚାର କରିବୁ ବଢିଆ ଅଛି This is concocted story. It's concocted story. It's framed. Nowadays some authorities are framed in order to engage you. Go out. Concocted story. That's very strict. It's very strict. He orders his disciples to chant 1,00,000 of names. I will say this thing, you see. No.
Many stories are like this you find in ISKCON.
Yes, it's concocted stories. A concocted stories.
ISKCON doctrine.
Yes, whatever is concocted. Not true at all. It's concocted story. Not true at all.
It seems, Maharaj, this is half the confusion in our ISKCON society. There's so many concoctions and nobody knows the real truth.
That you should approach a bona fide person, should not listen to a bogus person. One who knows the truth. Who knows the truth. Yes. That's important. Yes?
So Guru Maharaj understanding that surrender, completely surrender at Lord Spiritual Master.
Yes.
Please him.
Yes.
This is the only goal of life.
Yes. That's the only thing required. You cannot directly approach the Lord. You can't please the Lord. You don't know how to please Him. You understand? Guru teaches you. Please Guru, Dasya Prasadat Bhagavat Prasadat. Clear thing. You understand? Yes. Guru Susursaya Datha, Krishna said that thing. I am so much pleased. That person is always engaged in serving his Guru and giving him pleasure.
Krishna Guru Maharaj, we actually very difficult to meditate on form, Krishna's form. But the one who is completely attached to his spiritual master and see the spiritual master is there as person, speak to him.
Yes.
He's doing little activities.
Yes.
And he said, will always remember everything. That many things on spiritual master, activities and everything, that also as good as meditate on Lord. That's the question. As good as to meditate on
Spiritual master.
yeah.
Yes.
As good as
Spiritual master says meditate on Krishna. So carry out his order. Narada Muni gave the description of the Lord. How is he? What is the hair? How is the hair, his head, his neck, his breast, his hands, his leg, his toe, everything. From toe to top. Hair. This is the form of the Lord you meditate. So Maharaj meditated that form. Guru has told me this form. And really, actually, Lord appeared, opened his eyes, saw, oh, that form. As Guru has said, oh, he is Lord. Then so, you must obey what Guru has said. Guru said, meditate on Krishna. And this is the form of Krishna. You should carry out the order of Guru. Yeah, difficult. Why is it difficult? Why it is difficult?
I hear one tape, one professor or proper class said, so because we don't know where to meditate on Krishna.
Guru says, you don't know. Guru teaches you. Guru gives the description. As Narada Muni gave. This is the form of Lord. Detail told. This is, his toe is like that, leg is like that, chest is like that, arm is like that, head is like that, neck like this, face is like that, hair is like that. Detail. This is form. So, you meditate this form. So, what difficult? What Guru says, do it.
Prabhupada, Prabhupada said that, yes, he has one who is difficult to meditate on Krishna, but he's thinking always about the spiritual master. He's going back, because spiritual master also is going back home, back to God. So, that I hear myself, was by...
Yes, meditate on spiritual master means meditate on his instruction, what he has said. Right? Why do you forget that? What Guru has said So that's meditation. Not the thing only the body of the Guru has meditated. Guru said, no, meditate on the form of Krishna. So.
Oh, no, it doesn't.
That's not correct thing. Guru says, meditate on Krishna. He says, at first you cannot meditate, you meditate on the transcendental sign vibration. Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama. First you cannot meditate on the path, but meditate on this. Concentrate on this sound, transcendental sound vibration. Yes. First, beginning, then form will come up. Yes. This is all Guru's instruction. Meditate on Guru means meditate on his instruction. That's what. All right, thank you.
Don't mind.
Indrabhata?
Yeah, another one. Indrabhata. This is some writing. Some General Pushpa Kumar in on third.
It is their karmanmukhi sukruti. Then says sukruti. And that will exhaust, being exhausted. And at last it will everything will be exhausted. But devotee will get eternal. Then says he has earned something previously. It's karmanmukhi sukruti. So some enjoyment is coming now. But it's being exhausted. At last we lose everything. But for devotee, that will never take place. Eternally he will get it. There's difference.
Was mentioning I've heard Prabhupada say that story on a tape. It's called What Foods to Eat, I think, in 1975 on an American tour. It's a morning walk conversation with Tamal Krishna Maharaj, and Tamal Krishna Maharaj was talking about what foods to eat on Ekadasi.
Yeah.
And Srila Prabhupada was giving the example how even Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati would encourage his disciples to take prasadam, Ekadasi prasadam on Ekadasi so they could go out and preach.
Ekadasi, not
Yeah.
Khichdi.
No, not Khichdi. Ekadasi prasadam.
He said,
Yeah.
no.
Yeah. That was a mistake, speculation.
No. Ekadasi prasad. Yes,
Yeah.
that's all right.
Yeah. He didn't, on the tape, Srila Prabhupada doesn't say that he cooked for them, it just says he ordered that he get prasadam so he could get
Yes,
strength to go out
that's
and
what
preach.
fruit, milk,
Yeah,
whatever.
yeah. Ekadasi.
Allowed. Yes, no grains.
No,
You eat, you take and go out.
yeah.
Go out. That's not Khichdi.
Yeah.
That's good Khichdi. What is this? And one other thing, the Guru, Acharya, teaches according to time, place, and circumstance.
Yes.
So, when such place is there, then devotee is like that, he's very passionate. Then say,
Yes.
he is not elevated to the Sattva Guna. So he cannot sit down and just stand like this. And this again this.
Yes.
So that is for him. That is for him. Take prasad, go out. Yes. That's That's why.
Maharaj, many devotees from the West are like that.
Yeah, because they are very passionate.
Yeah.
They should be engaged. They cannot sit idle or chant Hare Krishna like this, no.
Yeah.
Yes, they should be engaged. This is for them. Yes.
That's why Prabhupada liked the preaching movement.
Yes. Yes. So he said only chant 16 rounds minimum.
Yeah.
Bhakti Siddhanta stressing on 64 rounds. Very strict. Bhakti Siddhanta was very strict. Why he made? Because that is needed. In time, place, circumstance, it just said that. Acharya said. You didn't bother your head. Yes, Acharya. What? Yes, sir, just carry out. Thereby you will be pleased. Then you automatically get the pleasure of Krishna, Lord. That's a prasada, prasada. You may not understand, but you will automatically you are getting. Only pleasing God. And when that you will be more elevated, then you can understand, yes, how Lord is pleased. Then you can understand. But in the beginning you may not. Please Guru. That's important. You develop that vision and you elevate into that stage that you have this vision, then you can see how. You can see the beautiful form of the Lord, see the transformed Leelas also manifesting. And I will see how it's pleased or not pleased. Yes, definitely. That's right. In the beginning you may not, in the beginning, what Guru says, just carry it. Otherwise, Guru's pleasure, automatically Lord's pleasure. Dasya prasada, Guru prasada. Most important.
In Niketan Das, Maharaj Babaji was saying that we should pray and we should understand the meaning of our prayers.
Yeah.
But in Nishkon, most of us we pray every day. These songs we chant we sing in the temple, but we don't understand. Most of us we don't understand the.
Nice to understand the meaning. Otherwise, prayer will not be
So effective.
effective. It's like parrot-like. Parrot-like. You understand? So don't be parrot-like. When it understands the meaning, then prayer will be effective. And up will come up. Be in up stages and ask the Lord and offer this prayer. Not parrot-like. Oh,
Someone gets a book and reads it, that means you're getting the mercy of the Shakti, mercy of Krishna's words in the form of the Bhagavad Gita.
yeah. Shastra has much. Because Vedic literature is not different, Veda is not different from Krishna. Krishna and his Bani are not different. You understand? Krishna Tulya Bhagavata. Can you hear? Sitting so far, close, sit here. Get a carpet there. Get that. That one. Yeah. साधु शास्त्र कृपा यदि न give her साधु शास्त्र कृपा यदि कृष्ण close she can't hear. Yes, there. ସାଧୁଶାସ୍ତ୍ର କୃପାୟ ଯଦି କୃଷ୍ଣନ୍ମୁଖ হয় সেই জীব তরয় মায়া তাহাকে ছাড়া হয়। If some jiva, some living entity, ছোট্ট টেবল আনি ছোট্ট টুল, if some jiva, living entity, will develop Krishna consciousness, turn his face towards Krishna by the mercy of sadhu and shastra, then he can be delivered. You understand? He can be free from the clutches of Maya. That is sadhu shastra kripa. Shastra has its kripa. Because Shastra is the Mani of Lord. Veda is coming out from the breathing of the Lord. And Gita comes out from the lips of the Lord. Mukha Nisruta Vani, Nisrusita Vani. Niswasa means breathing. You understand? So that Vani is not different from Krishna. That's all. Instruction is not different from Krishna. So Shastra has this group. And we say Krishna Tulya Bhagavata. Bhagavata is as good as Krishna.
So many days for that. Narayana Spayam. What's your name?
No.
No.
Gita Mula Bhasara.
Happy age, look.
11:30.
Eleven package.
Sure.
Kostitu kostit jatati siddhaye jatatamati siddhanan kostit maung deti tattvajaho. এটা জানছেন দাদা? এর অর্থ ହେଲା ମନୁଷ୍ୟ ହଜାର ହଜାର ମନୁଷ୍ୟ ମଧ୍ୟରେ କେଇ ଜଣେ ତତ୍ତ୍ୱ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରେ, ନା କେଇ ଜଣେ ସିଦ୍ଧି ଲାଭ କରିବା ସକାଶେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରେ। ହଜାର ହଜାର ସିଦ୍ଧିକାମୀ ମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ କେଇ ଜଣେ ବାସ୍ତବିକ ତତ୍ତ୍ୱ ଜାଣେ, ସେଥିରେ ତତ୍ତ୍ୱ ଜାଣିବାଟା ନିତ୍ୟାନ୍ତ ଦରକାର। ଏଇ କଥା ଏମାନେ କହିଛି।
Translation in read. 11.
The 7-3.
Out of many thousands among men, one may endeavour for perfection. And of those who have achieved perfection, hardly one knows me in truth.
So, তত্ত্ব জানাটা নিতান্ত দরকার পড়ছে। Now I am praying to God. Tomati devaha purushaha puranan samasya distasyan parat nidhanan. Tomati devaha purushaha puranan. 11:80. 11:38. 11:30. Open. You have no Gita. Why not?
Take it.
Chapter
1138.
That's it. Tomadidevah Purusha Puranang Samasya Distasang Param Nidhanang. बरोबर कारण मग किती जाहीर मग आम्ही कोणते की कोणती शिकते की नाही की कोणती तुझे कळतात ना कोणते इतके होऊन तुझं जाणीव କାଲି ସକାଳେ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ଆସିବେ ତାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କିଛି ଜାଣିଥିଲି ତାକୁ ନିହାତି ମାଝି ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କରିବେ କାରଣ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବେ ଏଗୁଡା ଇଏ କରିବେ ଆମେ ତ ହଜାର କହୁଛେ ସେ ଶୁଣୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ ସେ ବୁଝିଲେ କି ନାହିଁ କି ଇଏ କରିଛି ତାଙ୍କ ମନେ ରହିଲା କି ନାହିଁ କି କିଏ ଜାଣିଲା ସେ କଥା ତମାଦି ଦେବ ପୁରୁଷ ପୁରାଣ ଦେତାସି ଦେଶ୍ୟ ପରମ ଧାମଂ तमादिदेवः पुरुषः पुराणं समस्य विश्वसं परं निधानं देतासि वेद्यं च परं च धामं त्वया तथा विश्वम् अनन्तरूप.
Yes, we understand.
You are the original.
Not
No.
Adidevasya param nidhanam. Vyasya param dharamam. Vyasya param dharamam.
अनंत रूप वायुर्जमग्निर्वरुणः शशाङ्कः प्रजापति वायुर्जमग्निर्वरुणः शशाङ्कः प्रजापतिस्तं प्रतितामहस्य नमो नमस्तेस्तु सहस्रकृत्वः पुनश्च भूयोऽपि नमो नमस्ते वायुर्जमग्निर्वरुणः शशाङ्कः प्रजापतिस्त्वं प्रतितामहस्य नमो नमस्तेस्तु सहस्रकृत्वः पुनश्च भूयोऽपि नमो नमस्ते समस्त बच्चों का जे जो बात कर दिया ठीक है कर बाकी जी नाराज नमः पुरस्तांग तत्तांग पृष्ठांग तस्ते नमस्तुते सर्वतो एव सर्वो मनंत दीर्घांगित विक्रमस्त्वं सर्वं समाप्नोषि तपोषि सर्वः नमः पुरस्तांग दत्तांग पृष्ठं तस्ते नमस्तुते सर्वतो एव सर्वो अनंत बीजामित विक्रमस्त्वं सर्वं समाप्नोषि तपोषि सर्वः नमः पुरस्तांग दत्तांग पृष्ठं तस्ते नमस्तुते सर्वतो एव सर्वो अनंत बीजामित विक्रमस्त्वं सर्वं समाप्नोषि तपोषि सर्वः. সকালে জগন্নাথের বিজয় করিব সেটি কৃষ্ণ বিজয় করিবেন সেটি বলরাম বিজয় করিবেন সেটি কলপত্র যোগী তাকে কোন প্রার্থনা করিব প্রার্থনা করে এই কলপত্র যোগী এই অনুসারে প্রার্থনা করিব সমস্ত চুড়াই কিনি কলপত্র যোগীকে জগন্নাথের বিজয় করিব তো কালি সকালে সেটি এদের বিজয় করে সেটি সমস্ত কলপত্র যোগীকে প্রার্থনা করিব এই প্রার্থনা ଆଉ ଅନ୍ୟ ଟାଇପ୍ରେ ନାଇଁ କରିକି ଚିନ୍ତା ପଡୁଛି ସଖେତି ମତ୍ୱା ପ୍ରସଭଂ ଯଦୁକ୍ତଂ हे कृष्ण हे दादव हे सखेति अजानातं महिमानं त्ववेदं मया प्रमादात् प्रणयेन वापि सखेति मत्वा प्रसदं तदुक्तं हे कृष्ण हे दादव हे सखेति अजानातं महिमानं त्ववेदं मया प्रमादात् प्रणयेन वापि तत्सा बहसार्थमसत्पुरुषी विहार सज्जा सतभोजनेषु ये भूतवार्तन तुतं तत्समैक्षं तत्क्षमाये त्वमहति समीड्यं तत्सा बहसार्थमसत्पुरुषी विहार सज्जासन भोजनेषु ये भूतवार्तन तुतं तत्समैक्षं तत्तं क्षमाये त्वमहमप्रदेयं पितासि लोकस्य चराचरस्य त्वमस्य पूज्यश्च गुरुवर्गर्यान् न तत्र समं स्तब्धाधिकः पुण्यं लोकत्रयस्योः प्रतिमं प्रभावः पितासि लोकस्य चराचरस्य तमस्य पूज्यस्य गुरुवर्गर्यात् न तत्र समं स्तब्धाधिकः पुण्यो न तत्र समं स्तब्धाधिकः पुण्यो लोकत्रयस्यं प्रतिमं प्रभावः पितासि लोकस्य चराचरस्य त्वमस्य पूज्यस्य गुरुवर्गर्यान् न तत्र समं स्तब्धाधिकः पुण्यः लोकत्रयस्योः प्रतिमं प्रभावः तस्मात् प्रणयं प्रणिधाय कायं प्रसादये त्वमहममीशमीड्यं पितेषि पुत्रस्य सखेव सख्युः प्रियः प्रियया हर्षितेव सोढं पिते तस्मात् प्रणयं प्रणिधाय कायं प्रसादये त्वमहममीशमीड्यं पितेव पुत्रस्य सखेव सख्युः प्रियः प्रियया हर्षितेव सोढं अदृष्टपूर्वं हृषितोऽस्मि दृष्ट्वा भयेन च प्रवर्तितं मनो ते तदेव मे दर्शय देवरूपं प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवासः अदृष्टपूर्वं हृषितोऽस्मि दृष्ट्वा भयेन च प्रवर्तितं मनो मे तदेव मे दर्शय देवरूपं प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवासः हो गया ଆଉ ଯୋଉ କଣ କାନ୍ତି ଆମର ଯିଏ
କାମରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି
କାମରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ବା କିରିଟି ଗଜିନଂ ଚକ୍ରିହସ୍ତଂ ଇଚ୍ଛାମି ତ୍ୱଂ ଦର୍ଶୁମହଂ ତଥୈବ तेनैव रूपेण चतुर्भुजेन सहस्रबाहो भवति स्वमूर्ते गदिनं चक्रहस्तं निच्छामि त्वं द्रष्टुमहं तथैव तेनैव रूपेण चतुर्भुजेन सहस्रबाहो भवति स्वमूर्ते put up? No.
The prayers offered by
Ah.
Krishna,
Krishna.
universal for
ଯେତେବେଳେ କି କୃଷ୍ଣ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ବିଜେ କରିବେ ଉପରେ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ବିଜେ କରି ଇଏ କରିବେ ସମସ୍ତେ କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେତିକି ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କଣ ଏତେ ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା ଆଉ ଅନ୍ୟ ତ ଅଛି ସେଟା ଟାଇପ ନାହିଁ
offers of prayer to Lord Jagannath.
ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ କାଲି ସକାଳେ ବିଜେ କରିବେ ସେଠି ବିଜେ କଲା ତାହେଲେ ସେଠି ତାଙ୍କର ଜାଗା କଣ ମତେ ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କରିବ ପ୍ରିୟା
He offers us prayer.
ପ୍ରିୟା ତାପରେ ଟିଚିଂ এইটা ইয়ে তো অনুবাদ সব আছে যে পড়বে পড়িতে কেমনি লিখছেন দেখি শুনি পড়ে
Those verses, side, read the English translation.
দেখি কিন্তু দেখাই ডাউন পড়তে শুনি
Only one should read.
You are the original personality of Godhead.
হ্যাঁ
You are the original personality of Godhead.
ইলেভেন এইট তো 38 হ্যাঁ
That is.
38
You are the original personality of Godhead, the oldest, the ultimate sanctuary of this manifested cosmic world. You are the knower of everything, and you are all that is knowable. You are the supreme refuge above the material modes. O limitless form, this whole cosmic manifestation is pervaded by you.
পরিশ্রম করছেন দি মহারাজ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
You are air, you are the supreme controller. You are fire, you are water, and you are the moon. You are Brahma, the first living creature, and you are the great grandfather. I therefore offer my respectful obeisances unto you 1,000 times, and again, and yet again. Obeisances to you from the front, from behind, and from all sides. O unbounded power, you are the master of limitless might. You are all-pervading, thus you are everything. Thinking of you as my friend, I have rashly addressed you, O Krishna, O Yadava, O my friend, not knowing your glories. Please forgive whatever I may have done in madness or in love. I have dishonored you many times, jesting as we relaxed, lay on the same bed, or sat or ate together, sometimes alone and sometimes in front of many friends. O infallible one, please excuse me for all these offences. You are the father of this complete cosmic manifestation of the moving, not the non-moving. You are its worshipful chief, the supreme spiritual master. No one is equal to you, nor can anyone be one without you. How then could there be anyone greater than you within the three worlds, O Lord of immeasurable power? You are the supreme Lord, to be worshipped by every living being. Thus I fall down to offer you my respectful obeisances, and ask your mercy. As a father tolerates the impertinence of his son, a friend the impertinence of a friend, or a wife the familiarity of a partner, please tolerate the wrongs I may have done you. After seeing this universal form, which I had never seen before, I am gladdened. At the same time, my mind is disturbed with fear. Therefore, please bestow your grace upon me and reveal again your form as the personality of Godhead, O Lord of Lords, O abode of the universe. O universal form, O thousand-armed Lord, I wish to see you in your four-armed form, with helmeted head and with club, wheel, conch, and lotus flower in your hand. I long to see you in that form.
That's it. এইটা করতে যে ইয়ে হবে ধ্যানটা ও পার্থায় প্রতিপদিতম ভগবতম ধ্যান এটা নাই এটা নাই এটা করতে কিন্তু ahora yo te Eleven, 13. So 13 is 13, 7. Omanitva madandhitva mohinsa kyantirarjabam akaryopasanam sautan sarjamatma dinigraha Indriyarthesu vaisakho manahankara evaso janna mrityu jara vyati dukkha dosanudarsanan asakti ranati sangaha पुत्रदार गृहादिषु नित्यं च समचित्तत्व मिष्टानिष्ट उपपत्तिषु 18 13
Chapter 13.
chapter 13 sloka number 7
8. Like.
8 to 12.
13, 8.
Combined.
Yes, combined together.
अमानित्व मदभित्व महिंसा क्षंतिरार्जवं आचर्योपासनं शौचं सर्जमात्मा विनिग्रहः What? इंद्रियार्थेषु वैराग्यो मनहंकार एव च जन्म मृत्यु जरा व्याधि दुःख दोषानुदर्शनं असक्तिरनधि संगः पुत्रदार गृहादिषु नित्यं च समचित्तत्व मिष्टानिष्ट उपपत्तिषु मयि चानन्य योगेन भक्तिरत्यधिकारिणी विदिक्त देश सेवित मरति जन संसदि अध्यत्व ज्ञान नित्यत्वं तत्व ज्ञानार्थ दर्शनं एतत् ज्ञान नीति प्रभो वज्ञानं गततन्यथा
अध्यात्म ज्ञान नित्यात्मा तत्व ज्ञान दर्शनम्
It is right.
अमानित्व मान रहित हो अमानित्व मदंभित्व महिंसा क्षंतिरार्जवं अमानित्व मान रहित I am a man, I am a woman, I am a Hindu, I am a Christian, I am a Muslim, I am monk, I am a brahmachari, so and so. These are man. But Gita says that you are man. But that I am not man, I am not woman, I am not Indian, I am not a Hindu, I am not a Christian, I am not Mohammedan. But what are you? I am servant of Lord God, Lord Krishna. I am servant of Lord Krishna. That is means Abanitva. More than Vitva Dambha, I have so many mommy say my son is a collector, my brother is a VSP, minister, so and so. Who would give to me? This is a Dambha. But you say Dambha could take a photo. The Dambha is a mood.
English or What is that in English? Amanityam. What word meaning?
Humility.
Humility. Amanityam. English Vinod. Humility.
কিন্তু গণেশ চিরন্তন প্রবৃত্তি কারণ করছে অমান্তর দেহরে আত্ম মানব রহিত মানব মু অভিমান মু দেহরে মু দেহাভিমান ସେଇଟା ଅକି ନାହିଁ ହେଇଗଲା ଅନ ନାହିଁ ଆତେ ନାହିଁ ମାନ ଅର୍ଥାତ ମୁଁ ଦେହ ନୁହେଁ ହିନ୍ଦୁ ନୁହେଁ ପୁରୁଷ ନୁହେଁ ଖ୍ରୀଷ୍ଟିଆନ ନୁହେଁ ମହାପାତ୍ର ନୁହେଁ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ସବୁ ନୁହେଁ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ସୋଲ୍
Spirit soul.
soul my master Abadambita Mahinsa
Prideless.
महिंसा अवदंबित मदंबित महिंसा क्षांति राजव क्षांति मीन्स सहिष्णु क्षांति सहिष्णु क्षांति राजवम सरलता
Yes.
सरल
That's
मोहन जहाँ कहो बुझे चाहते हो प्रैक्टिकल की चाहते हो that is called सरल
That's simplicity.
Yeah. आर्जवम
In and out. In and without, simple. No crookedness.
आचार्य उपासना आप जब बना गुरु
Ajajapasana.
Approaching a bona fide spiritual master.
Yes.
good है आचार्य शब्द रे कौची শঙ্কর, রামানুজ, মধ্ব, নিমার্ক, বিষ্ণুস্বামী, বলদেব বিদ্যাভূষণ, ভক্তি সিদ্ধান্ত সরস্বতী, ভক্তি বিনোদ, বলদেব বিদ্যাভূষণ, বিদ্যাত আচার্য। হ্যাঁ, তো ଆଚାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ତା ଏଥି ମଧ୍ୟରେ ରହିଲା ତଫାତ କ'ଣ? ଶଙ୍କରକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲେ ଶଙ୍କର ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଅଦ୍ୱୈତ ଆଚାର୍ଯ୍ୟ, ଅଦ୍ୱୈତବାଦୀ ଆଚାର୍ଯ୍ୟ, ଆଉ ଇଏ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଦ୍ୱୈତବାଦୀ ଆଚାର୍ଯ୍ୟ। ମଧ୍ୟ ବଳଦେବ ବିଦ୍ୟାଭୂଷଣ ଇତ୍ୟାଦି ହେବେ। ସଂକ୍ରାନ୍ତଟା ଆସିଲା କୋଉଠୁ? ନା ବ୍ରହ୍ମା କୃଷ୍ଣ ହଉଛି ଚତୁର୍ମୁଖ ହଏ କୃଷ୍ଣ ସେବନ ବ୍ରହ୍ମା ମାରନ୍ତି ସେଟା ଆସିଲା କୋଉ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ? ନା ଇଏ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମାଧେନ୍ଦ୍ର ପୁରୀ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ। ମାଧେନ୍ଦ୍ର ପୁରୀଠୁ ସେଟା ଟିକେ ବିଜୟ ହେଲା, ଟିକେ ଅଚିନ୍ତା ଭେଦାଭେଦ ସେ ପ୍ରବେଶ କଲା। ଅଚିନ୍ତା ଭେଦାଭେଦ ପ୍ରବେଶ କରିକି ମହାପ୍ରଭୁଙ୍କ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ, ପ୍ରଭୁପାଦଙ୍କ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ, ପ୍ରଭୁପାଦ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଅଚିନ୍ତା ଭେଦାଭେଦ ଆସିଲା। ଅଚିନ୍ତା ଭେଦାଭେଦ ଦିଟି ଯାକୁ ସ୍ୱୀକାର କରିଛନ୍ତି। ଇଏ ଜୀବକୁ ଚାହିଁ କହିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ତତ୍ତ୍ୱମସ୍ୟା ବେଦ ବାକ୍ୟ ନ ଦିଟି ଯାକ ବେଦ ବାକ୍ୟ। ସେଠି ଭେଦା ଭେଦ ଥିଲା, ଏଇଟା ଭେଦା ଭେଦାରା ସୁପର୍ଣ୍ଣା ଅଛି ବାକ୍ୟେଷୁ ଭେଦ ପ୍ରଭୃତି ଦ୍ୱାସୁପର୍ଣ୍ଣାଦି ସୁକ୍ତିଷୁ ଭେଦ ବାକ୍ୟାନି ଦକ୍ଷାଣି ତତ୍ତ୍ୱମସ୍ୟାଦି ବାକ୍ୟେଷୁ ଅଭେଦତ୍ୱ ପ୍ରଦର୍ଶିତ। ସର୍ବଜ୍ଞ ବେଦ ବାକ୍ୟ ନା, ଏଇଟା ବେଦ ବାକ୍ୟ ସେଇଟା ବେଦ ବାକ୍ୟ। ଦିଟା ତତ୍ତ୍ୱମସିଟା ହଉଛି ଛାନ୍ଦୋଗ୍ୟ ଉପନିଷଦ ମନ୍ତ୍ର, ଆଉ এইটা হচ্ছে তত্ত্বমশি হচ্ছে ছান্দোগ্য উপনিষদ, সেইটা হচ্ছে দ্বাদশোপন্যাস যজ্ঞবেদ মন্ত্র। সর্বজ্ঞম বেদ বাক্য না, জীবক চাই পদ্ধতি সর্বজ্ঞম বেদ বাক্য না, দিনে যাক বেদ বাক্য। সেটি কোনটা অবজ্ঞা করে নেই, সেটি তার সিদ্ধান্ত করো ভেদা ভেদ প্রদর্শিত। অতএব ভেদ এবং জীব ঈশ্বর মধ্যে ভেদ এবং অভেদ এই দুইটা জায়গা হচ্ছে। ভেদ কোনটি? না সিଏ পূর্ণ ইয়ে অণু, এইটা ভেদ। ସିଏ ଶରୀର ବୃକ୍ଷ ମଧ୍ୟର ଫଳକୁ ସିଏ ଜୀବ ଖାଉଛି, ସିଏ ଖାଉନି, ସାକ୍ଷୀ। ଅନ୍ୟତ ହଉଛି ଜୀବ ପରମାତ୍ମା, ଜୀବାତ୍ମା ପରମାତ୍ମା ନିଜକୁ ଆଉ ମାୟାର ଯଥାର୍ଥ ସ୍ୱରୂପ, ଜୀବର ସ୍ୱରୂପ, ମାୟାର ଯଥାର୍ଥ ସ୍ୱରୂପ ଏବଂ ଈଶ୍ୱରଙ୍କ ଯଥାର୍ଥ ସ୍ୱରୂପ ଜାଣିପାରେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଜୀବାତ୍ମା ତାହା ଜାଣିପାରେନି। ଏ ଦୁଇଟା ହଉଛି ଭେଦ, ଏ ଦୁଇଟା ହେଲା ଭେଦ। ଆଉ ସିଏ ଯେ ଜୀବାତ୍ମା ଯେ ନିଜକୁ ଜାଣେନି କି ପରକୁ ଜାଣେନି କି ଈଶ୍ୱରଙ୍କ ସ୍ୱରୂପ ଜାଣେନି, ସେତେବେଳକୁ ହବ କି ସେତେବେଳକୁ ସେ ଜାଣେ। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଭେଦ ଅବଧ ଦିଟା ଯାକ ହଉଛି ବେଦ ବାକ୍ୟ। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏଇ ଦିଟା ଯାକ ସ୍ୱୀକାର କରିକି ଅଚିନ୍ତ୍ୟ ଭେଦାଭେଦ, ଜୀବ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଈଶ୍ୱର ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଅଚିନ୍ତ୍ୟ ଭେଦାଭେଦ, ଏଇଟା ସେମାନେ କହିବେ।
The difference between the Lord and Jiva living. You understand? Shankaracharya doesn't accept difference. You understand? Shankaracharya is Advaitavad.
ଅଦ୍ୱୈତବାଦ ବୋଲି ତାର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଲା ଏଇଆ, ଜୀବ ଈଶ୍ୱର ମାୟା ତିନିଟା ଯାକ ଅଛି। ତିନିଟାକୁ କେବଳ ସେ ଈଶ୍ୱରଙ୍କୁ ସ୍ୱୀକାର କରିଛି, ଆଉ ଦିଟା ତତ୍ତ୍ୱକୁ ସ୍ୱୀକାର କରିନି। ଏଇଟା ହିଁ ଅଦ୍ୱୈତ। ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଦିଟା ନାହିଁ, କିନ୍ତୁ ବୈଷ୍ଣବାଚାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଦିଟା ଯାକ ସ୍ୱୀକାର କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ଏଇଟା ହିଁ ତଫାତ।
Shankaracharya only accepts Ishvara, not Jiva, not Maya. There is Ishvara, Jiva and Maya. It doesn't accept. So it's Advaitavada. But Vaishnavacharyas, they accept everything. You understand? There is Ishvara, Jiva and Maya. And there is difference at the same time, non-difference. So it is achintya of the Vedatam. Inconceivably one and different. You understand? This is Vaishnava philosophy that Mahaprabhu founded. So Shankara is also an Acharya, because what he says, that is also in Veda. That's also in Veda. In Veda, everything is there. But that's incomplete. It's partial.
ଗୌଣାର୍ଥଟା ସେ ପ୍ରକାଶ କରୁଛି। ଗୌଣାର୍ଥ ପ୍ରକାଶ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି।
And this Advaitavada is partial, and Dvaitavada is also partial. It's not complete also. So, Achintya Vedaveda, inconceivably one and different, is the complete philosophy. That is so.
So, आचार्य बलदेव विद्याभूषण बलदेव विद्याभूषण ମୁଁ କହିବି ତାପରେ आचार्य उपासना शौचं शौचं शौर्यम आत्मविनिग्रह शौर्यम शुचि शौर्यम स्थिरता आत्मविनिग्रह इंद्रिय संयम इंद्रियार्थेषु वैराग्य इंद्रिय शब्दरे yesterday I told you the body is divided into 24 parts. What are they?
Yes, 24 tattvas. Tell.
5 gross material elements. Earth, fire. Earth, water, fire, air, heat, that. Then the 5 knowledge-acquiring senses, 5 working senses.
Yes.
Then there are the 5 objects of the senses.
Yes.
20.
20, yes. Then there's
पंच महाभूत
yeah,
पंचभूत मानसे फायर है एट विंड
Chitta, Teja, Marut, Vyoma.
हाँ मरुद बेमा भूमि आपनार भाई खबंधु ए पंच महाभूत पंच कर्मेंद्रिय बाक्य पानी पाद पाई उपस्थ पंच कर्मेंद्रिय पंच ज्ञानेन्द्रिय आई नोज ear tongue swan पंच eye to see
Panchatan Matra.
पंचतन मात्रा
Sabda, Sparsa, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha.
সেটা সে তুমি জানো
He told.
yes.
You told. How many you told?
20.
20. Then,
না
then
24
plus 4.
Mind,
Yes.
intelligence,
Pulse ego.
false ego, and Mahatattva.
Pradhana.
Done.
Pradhana.
प्रधान
Yes, 24.
24 सेवन दैट
Then more.
you know 24
24 tattvas.
इंद्रियार्थेषु वैराग्य इंद्रिय अर्थ वैराग्य इंद्रिय अर्थ मीन्स चक्षु टू सी the eye to see the ear to hear the tongue to see
Yes.
is a वैराग्य give up it that means इंद्रियार्थेषु वैराग्य मन अहंकार एवं तो कि मध्य मन अहंकार एवं तथ्य वैराग्य जन्म मृत्यु जरा व्याधि दुख दोषानु दर्शन तो कहती मातृगर्भरे ଥିବା ସମୟରେ 100 ପାୱାର 100 5-6 ଡିଗ୍ରୀ ଜର ହେଲେ ଯୋଉ କଷ୍ଟ ହୁଏ କି ମାତୃଗର୍ଭରେ ସେଇ କଷ୍ଟ ହୁଏ ଆଉ 100 କଙ୍କଡା ବିଛା ସୁବିରେ କାମୁଡ଼ିଲେ ଯୋଉ କଷ୍ଟ ହୁଏ ସେଇ କଷ୍ଟ ବଡ଼ ସମୟରେ ହୁଏ এইটা ভাবি সদা সর্বদা বৈরাগ্য রাখো কিন্তু এই বস্তুটা সমস্ত পক্ষে সমান নেই সেটা করতে উদাহরণ দেখলি যে 30 মার্কস 31 মার্কস রাখিকি জনে পাস করছি 199 মার্কস রাখি জনে পাস করছি ଯିଏ ଯାକୁ ଉପରେ କ୍ଲାସକୁ ଯିବେ ହେଲେ ସୁଦ୍ଧା ନାଲେଜର ତଫାତ ହେଇଗଲା ସେପରି ମହାପୁରୁଷ ହୃଦୟ ଦେଇକି ମାତୃଗର୍ଭ ଦେଇକି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ବଦ୍ଧଜୀବ ମଧ୍ୟ ମାତୃଗର୍ଭ ଦେଇକି ଆସୁଛି ଆଉ ତା ମଧ୍ୟରେ ତଫାତ ହେଲା ୟା ଯେ ଜଣେ 31 ମାର୍କ ରଖି ପାସ୍ କରୁଛି 31 ରଖି ଜଣେ ପାସ୍ କରୁଛି ଆଉ 99 ରଖି ଜଣେ ପାସ୍ କରୁଛି ଦି ଜଣ ଯାକ ଏକା କ୍ଲାସ ଗଲେ ବସିଲେ ଉପରେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଧୀରେ ସୁଦ୍ଧା ନାଲେଜ ସମାନ ନାହିଁ ସେଇପରି ମାତୃଗର୍ଭ ଦେଇକି ବଦ୍ଧଜୀବ ଆସେ ଆଉ ପରମ ଭାସ୍କର ଧ୍ରୁବ ପ୍ରହ୍ଲାଦ ପ୍ରଭୃତି ଭକ୍ତମାନେ ବି ଆସନ୍ତି ଆସିଲେ ହେଲେ ସୁଦ୍ଧା ଦୁଃଖଟା ସମସ୍ତ ସମାନ ହୁଏନି ଦେଖ
We had already told this thing. You understand? To remain in the mother's womb is a miserable condition. You understand? That they told, if you will be having the fever, say 104, 5 degrees, how painful it is. Such painful situation is there in mother's womb. At the time of death, death is also very painful, miserable. If hundreds of scorpions will bite you, that pain, you understand? Such pain is there at the time of death. You understand? And he says, as in our schools and colleges, the students appear examination and their papers are evaluated. Someone gets 33% of mark, someone gets some 90% of mark, and both of them are promoted. If someone will get 33% mark, he will be promoted, minimum. So, but caliber is different. One
That
who
is the
secures
difference.
33% of mark and secures 90% of mark, both of them are promoted, but caliber is different. Similarly, the conditioned soul also remains there in the mother's womb, and bhakta, devotee when comes, he also comes through mother's womb. But the pain is not the same. Pain is not the same. You understand?
As well as it is explained.
You understand? He has already told that, isn't it?
According to the percentage.
Huh?
According to the percentage.
Yes, according to their consciousness, you see. It's a level of consciousness. We have 5 levels of consciousness. That's Bhakta's consciousness is the last level.
जन्म मृत्यु जरा व्याधि दुख दोषान दर्शन therefore जन्म मृत्यु जरा व्याधि दुख की बा शब्द है वैराग्य नहीं संसार प्रति वैराग्य और सृष्टि भोग नहीं ये नहीं ये कौन होती बल्कि वैराग्य की प्रमेय में ये को संदर्भ रहेगा जन्म मृत्यु जरा व्याधि दुख दोषान औषधि नदी संग पुत्र दार गृहादिषु पुत्र गृह इत्यादि अनासक्त एवुड़ाक विस्मरण कर मोर कि पढ़ला पक्षर ये पुत्र स्त्री ये माने सब रही पढ़ला रही पढ़ला आसिया पूर्व पिता माता थे जीवन सागर नहीं धन संपत्ति जीवन सागर नहीं अनासक्त सब कृष्ण ना पुत्र कह भाजा कह ये कर जिते जाके सब कृष्ण ना मोर कि जो अनासक्त यहीपरि भावी अनासक्त
Putradhara Grahadishu. One should not be attached to wife, sons, daughters, home, heart, material estates like this. None attached. This translation is there.
No.
English, the other translation is there.
नित्यम तो समर्थित तो निष्ठा निष्ठ पपति से ये है ना इम्पोर्टेंट करता नित्यम तो समर्थित हाँ नित्यम तो समर्थित तो निष्ठा निष्ठ प्रपति से इष्ट और निष्ठ प्राप्त है बहुत थोड़ा देखे कि ये सब संपत्ति नहीं करा तो जहाँ जितने दाब की वो ये मैं पास करा था कि पहला बोलो कहना ये ना बहुत ज़्यादा सब चल गए तो जितने के समझ गया नित्यम तो समर्थित तो
कौन दे
क्या
Ishta, Anishta. What is English?
Ishta is the desirable.
Desirable. Anishta,
Undesirable.
undesirable. Papatti, so Ishta, Anishta, Papatti.
नित्यम तो समर्थित कौन दीजिए
Upapati.
Upapatti.
Having obtained. Having obtained.
Obtained.
नित्यम तो कम दीजिए नित्यम तो समर्थित कौन नाइन नंबर 9
Constantly. बराबर.
नहीं नित्यम तो समर्थित तो निष्ठानिष्ठ पपति
Samachitta. Equal.
Even-mindedness. Even-mindedness amidst pleasant and unpleasant events. Even-mindedness amidst...
Even-mindedness. Even-minded.
Equilibrium.
Equilibrium.
No, equilibrium.
Equipoise. Like that.
Come on, बहुत नुकसान है जहाँ भाव बहुत लाभ है सही बात है तो सब मरेगा
If there is a great loss, material loss, and great gain. Equal. Like that. Yes.
तापरे मई चानन्य जोगी न भक्ति रत्ते विचारिणी मई कृष्ण भगवान के ठारे तो अनन्य जोगी न भक्ति रत्ते विचारिणी अति विचारिणी के शुद्ध भक्ति द्वारा कृष्ण को अनन्य जोगरे भक्ति करिवा इटा को इम्पोर्टेंट करता है तो प्रभुपादे हाम्रो गुरु महाराज जी सब बोले को भक्ति ये सब लेखना ओनिस लेखना ये सब मूल केंद्र स्थल पर आई जाए
Of the vicharini bhakti.
भक्ति अभ्यचारी भक्ति ବିବିକ୍ତ ଦେଶ ସେବିତ ବିବିକ୍ତ ଦେଶ means ନିର୍ଜନ ସ୍ଥାନରେ ପବିତ୍ର ସ୍ଥାନରେ what is it ବିବିକ୍ତ means
solitary place. Huh? Solitary place.
It says to solitude.
Vivikta desa.
Or solitary places.
Solitary place.
ପବିତ୍ର ଦେଶ ପବିତ୍ର ସ୍ଥାନରେ ବିବିକ୍ତ ଦେଶ ସେବିତ ମରାତି ଜନସଂସତି ଅରତି ଯାতে ସେ ଯୋଉ ହାବି ଦେବୀ ଲୋକ ବସି ଗପ ସପ କରୁଛି କି ଜାତି ଇଏ କରେ ଅରତି ଅର୍ଥତା
Rati.
Being without attachment.
Yes. Janasansadi. What is Janasansadi?
To people in general.
People in general. Yes. Not attached.
ହେଇଗଲା ଅଧ୍ୟତ୍ତ ଜ୍ଞାନ ନିତ୍ୟତ୍ୱ ତତ୍ତ୍ୱ ଜ୍ଞାନାର୍ଥ ଦର୍ଶନମ ଅଧ୍ୟତ୍ତ ଜ୍ଞାନ ନିତ୍ୟତ୍ୱ ତତ୍ତ୍ୱ ଜ୍ଞାନାର୍ଥ ଦର୍ଶନମ
What is it?
Adhyatma,
Adhyatma jnana. Yes.
pertaining to the self in knowledge.
Yes. Tattva jnana.
ତତ୍ତ୍ୱ ଜ୍ଞାନ
Chatva,
Tattva jnana. Darsana.
of knowledge of the truth.
Knowledge of the truth. That's it.
ତତ୍ତ୍ୱ ଜ୍ଞାନ ଫଳରେ ତାର ଅର୍ଥ ଜୀବ ଈଶ୍ୱର ମାୟା ଏ ତିନିଟା ହିଁ ହଉଛି ତତ୍ତ୍ୱ
Tattva.
ତତ୍ତ୍ୱ
Three tattvas. Jiva, Ishvara.
କାଲି କରିଥିଲି yesterday I told you that Om Tadvishnu Paramam Padam Sada Pasyanti Sugeha Rigveda. Can continue. Rigveda is the oldest book of Father. How many Vedas are there? Do you know? How many kinds of Vedas? How many kinds of Vedas? Four. What are they?
Rig, Yajur, Sama,
Atharva. Then the Ruki is the oldest of all.
Rigveda is the oldest.
Oldest of us. That is Rigveda says, Om Tadvishnu Paramam Padam Sada Pasyanti Suryaho. Suryaho, Mukta Purusha. Mukta Purusha जो माने कि Pasyanti की to see that is God. परम पदम विष्णु का परम पद को सूर्य है कि मुक्त पुरुष माने देखती भक्त जीवन में गीता को सही होती गीता से नतु बंग शक्य से दृष्टु मने नहीं बंग प्रत्यक्ष था जितम ददामि चक्षु पश्यते जोग महेश्वर ने मोरो जोग ऐश्वर रूप यही चक्षु देखा जीवन है जितम ददामि चक्षु जित चक्षु की ज्ञानमय चक्षु इस चक्षु द्वारा पश्य की तुझी तो that Om says Jiva Ishvara Maya three tattva. ये त्रितत्व का ऐसा समग्र वैदिक साहित्य रहे हमारा त्रितत्व समग्र वैदिक साहित्य यही है कि गीता तो यह है समग्र वैदिक साहित्य यही तक में कहा ये जीव ईश्वर माया सीधा लाभ कर सका से जो प्रथा ये करती जीव ईश्वर माया जीव ईश्वर मध्य रही माया मायाटा जो पर्यंत आते हम संसार मायाटा प्रार्थना करी 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 भगवान कृपा फल माया हटिब कि ईश्वर स्वरूप आम ईश्वर को सान्निध्य लाभ करता गीता कौन अहंकार बलांतरं काम क्रोध परिग्रह विमुच्य निर्ममोचंतो ब्रह्म भूयाय कल्पते ब्रह्मभूत प्रसन्नात्मा न शोचति न कांक्षति समह सर्वेषु भूतेषु मद्भक्तिं लभते परां भक्तिं मामाभिजानाति जावान् दर्शन तत्त्वतः तत्त्वमां तत्त्वतो दृष्ट्वा विशते तदनन्तरं तदनन्तरं तत्त्वं अन्यत्र देखाति अतत्त्वता वदन पत्र तत्तावशब्दाहं तत्त्व न जाने तामसिक ज्ञान हो जाए तामसिक ज्ञान से ठीक नहीं अतत्त्व पदार्थ तत्तामशब्दाहं तामसिक हो जाए तत्त्व ज्ञात्वा तत्त्व जानना फल तत्त्व मीन्स जीव ईश्वर माया समग्र वैदिक साहित्य न्याय प्रस्थान कौन न्याय प्रस्थान हूँ वेदांत श्रुति है श्रुति बर्तमान देखा जाऊँगी चारि वेद सबस्टेंस है श्रुति वेद चारि वेद सबस्टेंस डिकेशन है श्रुति श्रुति बहुत प्रकार है किंतु बर्तमान जाऊँगी ईशोपनिषद केनोपनिषद तर्कोपनिषद कठोपनिषद मुंडकोपनिषद छांदोग्योपनिषद होती सर्पसाहित्य एथिरे रामानुज नहीं बलदेव विद्याभूषण तापरे शंकर मधु ए समस्त टीका टिप्पणी कर ତା ଏକାଦଶ ଉପନିଷଦ ପର ଏକାଦଶ ଉପନିଷଦରେ ଇଏକୁ ନେଇକିରି ତାହେଲେ ବେଦାନ୍ତ ଗ୍ରନ୍ଥ ଦେଖା ହେଲା। ମହାପ୍ରଭୁ କହିଲେ ବାସୁଦେବ ଭଟ୍ଟାଚାର୍ଯ୍ୟଙ୍କ ସହିତ ପୁରୀ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମହାପ୍ରଭୁ ତର୍କ କରୁଥିଲେ କି ସେ ମହାପ୍ରଭୁ କହିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଉପନିଷଦ ଶବ୍ଦ ଯେ ହିଁ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଅର୍ଥ হয় ସେହି ସବୁ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଅର୍ଥ ବ୍ୟାସସୂତ୍ରରେ କହ। ବ୍ୟାସସୂତ୍ର ମିନ୍ସ ବେଦାନ୍ତ ବେଦାନ୍ତ ସୂତ୍ର ଗୀତା শেষ ଗୀତା শেষ ଗୀତା ब्रह्मसूत्र पदेश ब्रह्मसूत्र पदेश ब्रह्मसूत्र मीन्स वेदांत सूत्र ब्रह्मसूत्र व्याससूत्र बादरायण सूत्र उत्तर मीमांसा सेम नाम ब्रह्मसूत्र से ब्रह्मसूत्र महाप्रभु कहले व्यास उपनिषद अर्थ उपनिषद शास्त्रे मुख्य अर्थ है से सब मुख्य अर्थ व्याससूत्रे कह व्याससूत्र वेदांत सूत्र क्या कहते सार्वभौम भट्टाचार्य को पूरे सार्वभौम भट्टाचार्य महाप्रभु सरकार महाप्रभु आसले कि महाप्रभु केम टू ओडिशा 1510 ख्रीष्टाब्द 1510 एसी महाप्रभु पूरी के आसले से महाप्रभु प्रताप ओडिशा राजा थे प्रताप रुद्र महाराज सी कुआ जाइए सभापंडित थे वासुदेव सार्वभौम भट्टाचार्य now which is called Gangavata Motto. That was his house. If you will go to Puri, then you will see Gangavata Motto. That means house of Vasudeva Sarvam Bhattacharya, who was the Pandita of Prasad Maharaj. That was the Tarkala Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu Tarkala उपनिषद शब्द उपनिषद शास्त्र मुख्य अर्थ है से सब मुख्य अर्थ व्याससूत्रे कह व्यास महाप्रभु कहते यहाँ गुरुदेव प्रभुपाद से कौन बोलिक देख उपनिषद ईशोपनिषद प्रथमोपनिषद देयर आर सो मेनी उपनिषद नाउ बट 11 is important. That 11 is ईशोपनिषद केनोपनिषद तैतरीय उपनिषद मुंडक उपनिषद प्रश्नोत्तर उपनिषद ऐतरीय उपनिषद छांदोग्य उपनिषद श्वेताश्वेत उपनिषद बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद ईशोपनिषद फर्स्ट उपनिषद as well as Rigveda is the first of all. ईशोपनिषद is also first उपनिषद of all. उपनिषद 15 मंत्र थे हिरण्यमयेन पत्रेण सत्यसाती हितं मुखं सप्तं कुशान पप्रुणं सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये कुशाने कथे गमं सुजं कुशाने कथे गमं सुजं प्रजापत्यं दिहं रसिं समूह तेजो दत्ते रूपं कल्याणतमं सत्ये पश्यामि जसावसौ पुरुषः सोहं मध्ये कुशाने कथे गमं सुजं प्रजापत्यं दिहं रसिं समूह तेजो दत्ते रूपं कल्याणतमं सत्ये पश्यामि जसावसौ पुरुषः सोहं मध्ये वायुरनिलं अमृतं भस्वन्तं शरीरं अग्रे नयो सुपथाराये अस्मानि विश्वं देवं वयुनानि विद्वान् युद्धं सन्जुहुरानवेनं भूयिष्ठं ते नमोक्ते विजेम वेदो कोइते कौसन्ति हिरण्यमयेन पात्रेण सत्यसाति हितं मुखं तत्तं पुरुषान् पात्रेण सत्यधर्माय दृश्यते एते सत्यता हला कुछ ये सत्यता हला इम्पोर्टेंट कथा हाँ सत्यता हला से मुख्य कथा से उपनिषद व्याससूत्र रहा सबै सत्यादय सबै सत्याद प्रभुपाद कहती जगद्गुरु श्री भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती कहती भागवती से summary of Bhagavad Gita, टीका of Vedanta Sutra. Vedanta Sutra कहला सब भागवत कहती सत्यं परं त्रिसत्यं सत्यस्य जोनि निहितं च सत्ये सत्यस्य सत्यं सत्यं नेत्रं सत्यात्मकं त्वं शरणं प्रपन्ना भागवत दशम स्कंद द्वितीय अध्याय 26 श्लोक भागवत दशम स्कंद second chapter 26th श्लोक से सत्यं परं त्रिसत्यं सत्यस्य योनि निहितं च सत्ये सत्यस्य सत्यं 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 नेत्रं सत्यात्मकं त्वं शरणं प्रपन्न এটা যেটা তার ভাষ্য
10th canto, Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto, second chapter,
শ্লোক নম্বর 26
says this. That's what it is. We say absolute truth, or supreme truth.
এই যে প্রমাণ হচ্ছে কোন
That is there in the Upanishad.
না এই যে প্রমাণ হচ্ছে কোন না হিরেন মহাপ্রভু যাহা কইছিল কি উপনিষদ শব্দের শাস্ত্রে যেই মুখ্য অর্থ হয় সেই সব মুখ্য অর্থ ব্যাস সূত্রে কয় এই যে হিরণ্যময় যে সত্যটা হলো মুখ্য অর্থ ব্যাস সূত্র সবাই সেই সত্যাদয় তার ভাষ্য স্বরূপ আমরা বুঝতেই কহছি তার ভাষ্য স্বরূপ হলো ভাগবত বেদান্তর ভাষ্য স্বরূপ হচ্ছে ভাগবত ভাগবতের কথা আছে যে সেটা দেখেছি সত্যং পরং ত্রিসত্যং সত্যস্য যোনি নিহিতং চ সত্যে সত্যস্য সত্যং মৃত সত্য নেত্রং সত্যাত্মকং ত্বং শরণং প্রপন্ন তার ভাগ হয়ে গেল এইবার সব
Bhagavata is the commentary of Vedanta Sutra. Vasudev compiled Vedanta Sutra and he gave the commentary.
মানে বইতে তো যেহেতু ভাগবত বেদান্ত সূত্রে নাও 556 সূত্র আছে নাও বেদান্ত সূত্র বেদান্ত সূত্র নাও 556 সূত্র divided in 4 chapters. সমন্বয় অধ্যায় অবিরোধ অধ্যায় সাধন অধ্যায় ফল অধ্যায় 4 chapters Vedanta divided Vedanta there are so many names Vedanta Vyasa Sutra Brahma Sutra so and so on many names it is a divided 4 chapters what are they are সমন্বয় অধ্যায় second সমন্বয় অধ্যায় অবিরোধ অধ্যায় second third সাধন অধ্যায় fourth ফলশ্রুতি অধ্যায় the whole Grantha has 556 sutras.
556
তার কন্টেন্ট হলো কি ভাগবত জগন্নাথ প্রাসঙ্গিক প্রশ্নটা কোন শিখে দেয় আচ্ছা ব্রহ্মচৈতা দিয়েটা আছে
Brahmasanta
ଅଛି ওই টাইপ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଟାଇପ ହେଇଯାଇ ହିନ୍ଦୀ ଟାଇପ ଅଛି ହିନ୍ଦୀ ଟାଇପ ନହେଲେ ପଢିପାରିବେନି
Brahma Samhita, ଜାଣନ୍ତି
ଜାଣିଛି ଇଏ କରିବା ଶ୍ଲୋକଗୁଡ଼ା ଶିଖିବା
No, some slokas from Brahma Samhita.
Some.
Yes. କିଛି ଜାଣନ୍ତି
କିଛି ଜାଣନ୍ତି ଶିଖିଦେବି ମୁଁ ସେଇମାନେ କାରଣ ବହୁତ ସକାଳ ଇଏ ହବ कृष्ण सचिदानंद विग्रह अनादि गोविंद सर्व कारण कारण ईश्वर परम कृष्ण सचिदानंद विग्रह अनादि गोविंद सर्व कारण कारण सहस्रपत्र कमलं गोकुलाख्यं महत्पदं सहस्रपत्र कमलं गोकुलाख्यं महत्पदं तत्कर्णिकारं तदनांसं संभवं चिंतामणि प्रकर सद्वासु कल्पवृक्ष वक्षाभितेषु सुरधीरभिपालयन्तं लक्ष्मी सहस्रशत सम्भ्रम सेव्यमानं गोविन्दमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
वेणुकणं तमरविन्ददलाय सख्यं महात्मं वेणुकणं तमरविन्ददलाय सख्यं
वेणुमनन्तमरविन्ददलाय तक्षं
महार्बतं समसिताम्बुजसुन्दराङ्गं
महामतं समसितं पुरुषसुन्दराङ्गं
कन्दर्पकोटिकमणीय विशेषशोभं
कन्दर्पकोटिकमनीय विशेषशोभं
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
आलोलचन्द्रकलशतवनमल्लं वंशी
आलोलचन्द्रकलशतवनमल्लं
रत्नाङ्गदं प्रणयकेलिकलाविलासं
रत्नाङ्गदं प्रणयकेलिकलाविलासं
श्यामं त्रिभङ्गललितं नियतप्रकाशं
श्यामं त्रिभङ्गललितं नियतप्रकाशं
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
अङ्गानि दस्यं सकलेन्द्रियवृत्तिमन्ति
अङ्गानि यस्य सकलेन्द्रियवृत्तिमन्ति
पश्यन्ति पन्ति कलयन्ति चिरं जगन्ति
पश्यन्ति पन्ति कलयन्ति चिरं जगन्ति
आनन्दचिन्मयं समुज्ज्वलविग्रहस्य
आनन्दचिन्मयसर्वविग्रहस्य
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
अद्वैतमच्युतमनादिमनन्तरूप
अद्वैतमच्युतमनादिमनन्तरूपं
मद्यन् पुराणपुरुषं नवयौवनं च
आद्यं पुराणपुरुषं नवयौवनं च
वेदेषु दुर्लभमतुर्लभमत्तभक्तौ
वेदेषु दुर्लभमतुर्लभमत्तभक्तौ
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
ओंकाशकोटि शतवत्सर सम्यक् प्रगम्यो
सम्प्रगम्य
वायुरथपि मनसो मुनिपुङ्गवानां
वायुरथापितंसो मुनिपुङ्गवानं
सोऽप्यस्ति तत्सं प्रपदस्य मन्न विचिन्ततत्त्वे
चिन्ततत्त्वे
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
एकोप्यसंरचयितुं जगदण्डकोटि जगशक्तिरस्ति जगदण्डन त्वया तदन्तः अण्डान्तरस्थं परमाणुतदन्तरस्थं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
भावभावितं धियो मनुजं तथैव सम्प्राप्य रूपं महिमा सनदानभूषाः सुप्तेर्गमेव निगमं प्रथितैः स्तुवन्ति गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
आनन्दचिन्मयरसं प्रतिभापिताभिः
आनन्दचिन्मयरसप्रतिभाभिः
साभिर्धदेवं निजरूपं तया कलाभिः गोलक एवं निवसत्याखिलात्मभूतो गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
प्रेमाञ्जनसुरितभक्तिविलोचनेन सन्ता सदैवं हृदयेषु तिलोकयन्ति तं श्याम सुन्दरमत्यन्त गुणं स्वरूपं गोविन्दमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि रामादिमूर्तिषु कलान्योमेन तिष्ठन् नानावतारम् अकरोत् भुवनेषु किन्तु कृष्णः स्वयं समं भवतः परमं पुमानजो गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि प्रभा प्रभवतो जगदण्डकोटि कोटिशेषं वसुधाति विभूतिभिर्नः तत् ब्रह्मं निष्कलमनन्तमशेषभूतम् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि माया हि दस्यं जगदण्डशतानि सूते त्रैगुण्यतत्त्वविषयवेदवित्तायमाना सत्त्वावलम्बी परसत्त्वं विशुद्धसत्त्वं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि आनन्दचिन्मयरसं प्रतिभादितासु मनसः यः प्राणिनां प्रतिफलिनं स्मरतामुपैत्य लीलायुतेनं भुवनानि जयस्य जस्रं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोलकनाम्नि निजधाम्नि तले च तस्य देवी महेशं हरिधामेषु तेषु तेषु नाम्नि निजधाम तले च तस्य महेश हरिधामसु तेषु तेषु ते ते प्रभावनिचयं विहितं सजेन गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि सृष्टि स्थिति प्रलय साधन शक्तिरेका खाये दस्यं भुवनानि बिभर्ति दुर्गा इच्छानुरूपमपि दस्य च तिष्ठते सा गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि चिरं यथा दधि विकार विशेष जोगात् समजायते नहि तथा पृथक् दस्ति हेतुः यः सम्भूतामपि तथा समुपैति कार्यात् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि विपाटिरेव हि दशान्तरमभ्युपेत्य विपायते विवृत हेतु समान धर्म दस्ता दृग्वेद हि तं विष्णु तया विभाति गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि यः कारणान्नवदले भजति स्वं योगनिद्रा मदन्त जगदण्डं सर्वमुकुपः आधार शक्तिमबलन्दं परां समृतिं गोविन्दमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि तस्यैक निष्कासित कारणमथावलम्ब्य जीवन्ति रोमं विलजा जगदण्डनाथाः विष्णुर्महानुगाह्य दर्शन कलातिशेषो गोविन्दमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि जत्पादपल्लवजुगन्धिनिधाय कुम्भं कुन्धे पल्लवविनिधाय कुम्भं प्रणाम समये सङ्गणाधिराजः विघ्नान् निहन्तु मलमस्सं जगत्त्रयस्य गोविन्दमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि अग्निर्मही गगनं मम्बुं मरुद्दिशांसव कालं सतात्मा मनसि जगत्त्रयाणि तस्मात् भवन्ति विभवन्ति विसन्ति जं च गोविन्दमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि तत्चक्षुरेवं सवितं सकलं ग्रहाणं राजा समस्त सूरमूर्तिरशेष तेजः दस्य गया भ्रमति सम्भुतं कालचक्रो गोविन्दमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि धर्मोऽर्थ पापनिचयं सुचयं सपन्थि ब्रह्मादि कीटपतंग पथयश्च जीवाः तत्र मात्र विभव प्रकट प्रभावा गोविन्दमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि क्रोधकामं सहजं प्रणयादि भीति वात्सल्य मोहो गुरुगौरव सैद्य भावैः संचिन्त्य तस्य सदुचि तनुमा पुरेते गोविन्दमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि जस्यैक निश्वासित काल मथावलम्ब्यं जीवन्ति लोम विदजा जगदण्डनाथाः विष्णुर्महान् सजिह दस्यं कला विशेषो गोविन्दमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि ब्रह्मा स्तुति କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା ମହାପ୍ରଭୁ ଚୈତନ୍ୟ ମହାପ୍ରଭୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦକ୍ଷିଣ ଦେଶକୁ ଯାଇଥିଲେ ସେଇଟା ସମୟରେ ରେବା କୃଷ୍ଣବେଣୀ ନଦୀ କୂଳରୁ ଏଇଟା ଉଦ୍ଧାର କରିକି ଆଣିଥିଲେ ଗ୍ରନ୍ଥ ଆଣିଥିଲେ ବ୍ରହ୍ମସଂହିତା ଗୋଟେ କୃଷ୍ଣ କର୍ଣ୍ଣାମୃତ ଗୋଟେ ଅତି ଉପାର ଗ୍ରନ୍ଥ ଏଇ ଭଗବାନ ଆଣିଥିଲେ କୃଷ୍ଣ କର୍ଣ୍ଣାମୃତ ସେ ଶ୍ଲୋକ ଗୁଡାକ କୃଷ୍ଣଙ୍କ କର୍ଣ୍ଣକୁ ଅମୃତ ସ୍ୱରୂପ ବୋଧ ହଉଥିଲା ସେଥିରେ ତା ନାଁ ହେଇଛି କୃଷ୍ଣ କର୍ଣ୍ଣାମୃତ ବିଦ୍ୱାଙ୍କର ଲେଖା ରଚୟିତା ବିଦ୍ୱାଙ୍କର ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଏଇ ଗ୍ରନ୍ଥ ଏଇ ବ୍ରହ୍ମସଂହିତା ଏଇ ବୋଧେ ଆଣିଥିଲେ
collected this Brahma Samhita to two granthas from gone to South India. He collected these two granthas.
ଗୋଟେ ଶ୍ଲୋକ କହୁଛି ଯସ୍ୟୈକ ନିଷ୍କାସିତ କାଳ ମଥାବଲମ୍ବ୍ୟଂ ଜୀବନ୍ତି ଲୋମ ବିଲଜା ଜଗଦଣ୍ଡନାଥାଃ ବିଷ୍ଣୁର୍ମହାନ୍ ସଇହ ଦସ୍ୟ କଳା ବିଶେଷୋ ଗୋବିନ୍ଦମାଦି ପୁରୁଷಂ ତମହಂ ଭଜାମି जस्य एक निश्वास काल मथावलम्ब्य जीवन्ति लोम विलजा जगदण्डनाथाः ब्रह्मा जीवन्ति से पीरियडटा हଉଛି କଣ 360 ଦିନରେ ଏକ ବର୍ଷ 4,32,000 ବର୍ଷ ହଉଛି କଳିଯୁଗ ତାର ଡବଲ ହଉଛି ଦ୍ୱାପର କଳିର 3 ଟାଇମ୍ସ ହଉଛି ତ୍ରେଜୟା କଳିର 4 ଟାଇମ୍ସ ହଉଛି ସତ୍ୟ ଏ ସବୁ ଯାକ କହିଦିଅ ତ କଳିଯୁଗ ହଉଛି 4,32,000 8,32,000 ହେଲା ଦ୍ୱାପର ଯୁଗ 12 ଲକ୍ଷ
period of Kali Yuga is 4 lakhs
Yeah.
32,000 years.
Yeah.
And double
Uh,
the time is Dwapara, then
the three times
three
change.
times of Kali is Treta, 4 times Kali is Satya.
ସତ୍ୟ ସବୁ ଯାକ ମିଶିଲେ ଯାହା ହୁଏ ସେଟା କହନ୍ତୁ ଯେ ଦିବ୍ୟ ଯୁଗ
These 4, you understand, added together,
Yeah.
one Divya Juga.
ଦିବ୍ୟ ଯୁଗ ଏହିପରି 71 ଦିବ୍ୟ ଯୁଗ ଗଲେ 71 71 ଦିବ୍ୟ ଯୁଗ ଗଲେ ଗୋଟେ ମନୁର ସମୟ ହୁଏ
Because in this way,
Yeah.
at the 71 Divya Juga comprise the period of one month.
ମନୁଜ there are 14 manus
14 months.
ମନୁଜ ବୈବସ୍ୱତ ମନୁ ଦକ୍ଷ ଶାବନ ମନୁ ଇନ୍ଦ୍ର ଶାବନ ମନୁ ପ୍ରଜା ଶାବନ୍ୟ ମନୁ so and so 14 manus
Come in one day of Brahma.
ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ରହ୍ମାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ହୁଏ 14 ମନୁ ଗଲେ ବ୍ରହ୍ମାର ଦିବସ ହୁଏ ଏହିପରି 360 ଦିନରେ ଏକ ବର୍ଷ ଏହିପରି 100 ବର୍ଷ ହଉଛି ବ୍ରହ୍ମାର ପରମାୟ ଆୟୁଷ ଏଇଠି
Span of Brahma. So long.
ଏଇଠି କହୁଛି ଦଶେକ ନିଶ୍ୱାସିତ କାଳର ମଥାବଲମ୍ବ ଦଶ ଏକ ନିଶ୍ୱାସ ଏଇ ନିଶ୍ୱାସ ଏକ
One
ନିଶ୍ୱାସ
breathing time.
Yeah.
One breathing time.
ଏଇ ଦଶ ଏକ ନିଶ୍ୱାସ କାଳ ମଥାବଲମ୍ବ ଜୀବନ୍ତି ରୂପ ବିଦା ଜଗଦଣ୍ଡ ଦାତା ବିଷ୍ଣୁ ଏତେ ଦେଖି ସେ ବିଷ୍ଣୁ ଏକ ସମସ୍ତ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି
Brahma lives only for one breathing time. Brahma.
ବିଷ୍ଣୁ
But
ଗୋବିନ୍ଦ
it's a
ଗୋବିନ୍ଦ
long time. Yes.
ବିଷ୍ଣୁ ମହାନ ସହ ଚର୍ଚ୍ଚା କଲା ଗୋବିନ୍ଦ ଆଦି ପୁରୁଷ ମହମ୍ମଦ ଆଦି ଏପରି ଯୋଉ ଗାଦି ପୁରୁଷ ସେଇ ଗାଦି ପୁରୁଷ ଗୋବିନ୍ଦକୁ ମୁଁ ଭଜନ କରୁଛି
Never mind. Yes.
ଦତ୍ତପାଦ ପଲ୍ଲବ ଯୁଗଂ ବିନିଧାୟଂ କୁମ୍ଭଂ ଦଣ୍ଡେ ପ୍ରଣାମ ସମୟେ ସ ଗଣାତି ରାଜଃ ବିଘ୍ରାଣ ନିହନ୍ତୁ ମଳମସ୍ୟ ଜଗତ୍ପ୍ରେୟସ୍ୟ ଗୋବିନ୍ଦ ଆଦି ପୁରୁଷଂ ତମହଂ ଭଜାମି ଦତ୍ତପାଦ ପଲ୍ଲବ ଯାହାଙ୍କର ପଦ୍ମକୁ ପ୍ରଣାମ ସମୟରେ ଗଣାତି ରାଜ କି ଗଣେଶ ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ଧାରଣ କରିଥିବା ଯୋଉ ତିନି ଜଗତର ବିଘ୍ନକୁ ନାଶ କରିବାକୁ ସମର୍ଥ ହେଇପାରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏହିପରି ଅଟନ୍ତି ମହାମହିମା ଗୋବିନ୍ଦ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରଣାମ କରୁଛି କହିଦିଅ
Ganesh.
ଗଣେଶ
Ganesh bowed down and put the lotus feet of Krishna on his head. Therefore, he is now able to destroy all the dangers here in this material.